Perfect. Good job. Boy, oh boy. Okay. Just let all your air out. Okay. That's it. Keep breathing.
And you might feel here that cracker pop along the low back. Good.
And all the way out. Just come back with me. Beautiful. Beautiful. And you just relax.
I don't know if you can hear those cracks. But...
Subite levas siajn brakojn.
The final thrust is directed with your right arm towards the table in a cephalic direction.
Okay. This is lower thoracic, mid thoracic. Excellent. He's moving really well everywhere. There we go. Yeah. That's it. Got him all the way up.
That's it. Let your right arm hang over the side. That way. Face up for me.
Yeah, let me do that reading and then we already get that and y'all yeah. Thanks so much. Thank you.
Ow! You needed that. Good job.
Is a great exercise for people who are having chiropractic care if they do it properly. Oh yeah. One more. Put your head down a little bit. That's it. Okay, got one. That's all. Yep, there we go. One more.